get out. And it's been a while. Before we get started today, I just want to address to you guys why I haven't been uploading. A few things have happened since I've last uploaded a video. One, I bought a brand new house. Two, I got a brand new puppy. Three, I got a second job. Four, I'm planning a wedding because I'm getting married soon. So I just wanted to keep you guys posted about what's going on in my life. But enough about that. Let's go catch some fish. So we're at Lake Temescal in Oakland today. Fabulous free Fridays at Temescal. Alright, cool. Looks like I don't have to pay. Yeet! Now I want to see today if there's any fish bedding. I haven't bed fished. I don't think the sun is out. I don't think the sun is quite out enough yet for me to see. So I'm gonna check things out here. I see a couple of small bass right there. I think I'm gonna have to try a Ned rig today and tie on some kind of creature on my bait caster. I think that's the game plan for today. There's my Ned rig. On this one. Got a bandito bug. So I'm just gonna get my juices flowing. Go for these small fish right here with the Ned rig. See what happens, alright? First cast. What's a snag? Alright. Man, it's beautiful out here. I see a nice, decent one right here. I'm gonna give it a try. These fish are all finicky in here. Oh my god. See how finicky this one is. There's one right there. You see it?
Yeah.
There's one right here too if you want it. I don't know how I'm gonna get there, but I'm gonna try. hell am I gonna cast in there? How the hell did these bass even get there? How am I gonna set the hook? This fish is angry. Well, that fish is angry. I'm gonna catch that one. Ooh. Give me something with a small profile. Yeah, probably a rage crawl. Let's see what we can get. Let's see what happens here. Yes, there's 2 fish right here. Alright, this is what I'm gonna do, guys. I'm gonna break this branch off. There we go. This fish is mine.
See him on the bed?
This fish is angry, dude. This fish is so angry. I'm gonna catch it.
Yeah, I seen that one earlier.
I'm gonna catch it for sure. I'm trying to catch the bigger one, but the male is the one that's going for it.
It will.
Yeah, for sure.
Good luck, man.
Thanks, man. Oh. Whew. All right, almost. Ooh, it's so angry. My foot's wet, but it's worth it. Got it. I told you this one was angry. I told you this one was angry. Ooh. Battle scars. Get back to doing its business. The female.